Hi guys, so I'm going to show you my favorite salad that I've been eating every day now. I just take whatever vegetables I have in the refrigerator, and this one I had avocados, sugar snap peas, and tomatoes. And I took some cooked rotisserie chicken and just threw that on top. I always make my own dressing, so I mix honey and sriracha with a little bit of pepper, and that's my thing. I love it so much. If you know me, then you know I'm obsessed with sparkling water, so I had to throw this in there.
What's that? What's that noise?
This tea is so good, you have to try it. I should have a strainer for this, but I don't, so I just kind of threw the loose leaves in there. For this dish, the first thing that I do is make the rice. So I just take a cup of rice and then a cup and a quarter of water, throw in a bay leaf and make sure it's boiling, and then I put the lid on and I cook it on low for 17 minutes and it comes out perfect every single time. After that, I make the chickpeas. So I take some oil, I fry up some onions, throw the chickpeas in there, let everybody get happy, and I throw in some garlic powder. Then I put my tomatoes, a little barbecue sauce, and by the time the chickpeas are done, the rice and everything is done too. So just make sure you take out the bay leaf, and I plate everything with whatever veggies I have. This time I had avocado. This dish would also be really good with an egg, and just don't put barbecue sauce on it, but that would be really good for breakfast. So the first thing I do is marinate my chicken, and I take some cilantro, some lime, some salt, a little garlic powder, and sriracha, and I mix that in a bowl. Once it's been sitting for about an hour, then I make my own little rack and I put my chicken on the rack. I feel like this helps make the chicken kind of crispy. So once I do that, I throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour. Maybe 30 minutes into the cooking time though, I do apply some barbecue sauce. So I kind of made my own. I just added some honey to whatever I had and a little sriracha. So I coat the chicken and let that cook for an hour. After an hour, I flip the chicken, apply more sauce, and broil it on high for 5 minutes, and it comes out super crispy. So that's the key here. And after that, I just put it in a salad like I usually do. I had some seaweed salad, so this one was really good, and I put it on top of some spinach with avocado and rice. Yay! 5-year-old approved chicken. You say hi?
Hi.